Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and today we're gonna be talk about something little different, and it is something more of a focused with developers or coders, because obviously this is something you have to build yourself, because this is an open source project that you have to configure yourself in order to use it as an app. So yeah, let's just dive into it. Okay, so this is a lexicon, and as they have said already, this is a pre-built mobile discussion app for your users now, and it is built upon actually discourse. Now what is discourse? If you don't know, discourse is basically a community platform, like where you can build obviously communities, and in this community you can guess what happens, like someone posts a question, and others usually give the answer of the question and all. But to be honest, discourse interface is quite a bit old, and if you don't arrange it all in yourselves, it can be a bit 90s looks like. It really doesn't look modern, to be honest. And I have used discourse in some of the open source project only, like open source communities only, but I didn't like it, to be honest. I didn't like it. But what they have done, what lexicon have done, so lexicon have made another layer on top of discourse and made it look great. And what I can see from their screenshots and all, and it's look really great, and it have already the dark mode, light mode version, all of those version already. And they made it as a mobile app. And to be honest, when I have used discourse in mobile, it's not a quite mobile friendly environment in like, to be honest, in the first place. And then there's a lot of what bugs and lack of responsiveness and all. To be honest, I don't like the interface of discord. That's it. And they have done the great thing. They have upgraded the discourse ui and made it quite, like, quite useful and quite soothing to eyes. They have made it modern basically. So obviously it is some kind of upscaling. And all know right now ki how community is powerful for your product, like how it can generate lots of fan following, like true fan following, or like community is the power that you, like, that you can't compare with anything else. Like this is your customer base, this is the power of your product, this is the population, this is the popularity of your product. So obviously community is important. And there are many other community platforms as well, rather than discourse also. But uh, to be honest, discourse is minimal, and it's a go-to platform for many of the open source projects, many of the big open source projects. So I really recommend anyone to use it, but not with their not with their built-in AOI, and not with their out of the box UI, because you can see it doesn't look great. It really doesn't look great. So obviously I would suggest anyone to go for this thing. And nowadays we access our mobile device a lot, rather than accessing the community through one desktop app and all, like with a desktop. Like we coders, we usually use desktop, right? But there are many people who are not coder, like there can be many types of community which is not basically just for coding community or developing community. So obviously they can use it. And I don't know if they have a mobile app version, like mobile web app version, or just a mobile app, like built-in mobile app version. So I have to check their documentation for that thing, and they have easily provided all of the documentation here also. So here is the iOS, here is the Android. So I think that they haven't built any any other mobile app or mobile web app version. This is just React Native. So yeah, this is basically the raw, this is basically the raw app, obviously, like raw native apps. And I just hit the natural reader, so pardon me and that portion. So yeah, that's basically for this video. So I don't know how many of you gonna like it, because it's something different. Okay. And I obviously I used to make different videos every once in a while. So that's why this is like totally out of the box content. I don't know how many of you gonna like it, but if you like my contents in general, please love like and subscribe to my videos, like subscribe to my channel, because subscription helps a lot. And rather than that, if you know about some of the cool apps, cool web apps, cool open source projects like this, please let me know about all of them in my description. Because like, please let me know if you like this type of video or not, so I will make more open source videos, like open source project featuring more open source project videos in future. But if you don't even like it, but if you know about some of the great open source project, please let me know about them in the comments, because I really like to show them. Like I am really fond of open source softwares, so please let me know about them as well. So bye.